Good morning, children. Now it's time for your grammar class and English grammar. And today I will be doing the revision of chapter 5, gender. Nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals. So, masculine gender they are used for male persons or animals. Feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. Again, I am telling you, masculine nouns they have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. And masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals, and feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. Now here are some examples of masculine and feminine gender. Masculine nephew, feminine niece. Landlord, landlady. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Sir is masculine, feminine is sir. Feminine of sir is madam. Masculine bull is masculine, feminine is cow. Hunter is masculine, huntress is feminine. Masculine is lord, feminine is lady. Count is masculine, countess is lady. Count is feminine, sorry. Peacock is masculine, peahen is feminine. Milkman is masculine, milkmaid is feminine. Prince is masculine, princess is feminine. Next, rooster is masculine, hen is feminine. Stallion is masculine, mare is feminine. Bachelor is masculine, spinster is feminine. Fox is masculine, vixen is feminine. Gander is masculine, goose is feminine. Bridegroom is masculine, bride is feminine. Monk is masculine, nun is feminine. Duke is masculine, duchess is feminine. Enchanter is masculine, enchanter is masculine, enchantress is feminine. Master is masculine, mistress is feminine. Emperor is masculine, empress is feminine. Common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. The common gender it is used for both male as well as female persons or animals. Neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Here are some examples. Common gender person, neuter gender table. Common gender is person and neuter gender common gender person, friend. In common gender what all comes? Look at just the book. Person, friend, teacher, children, parents, friend, guest. So what is common gender? Common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. Like I went to visit the doctor. So the word doctor is a common gender. You cannot understand whether the word doctor, whether it's the doctor is male or female. So in such cases, whether you can't understand whether it's a male or female, that word is the common gender. And look at neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things: table, chair, bed, bag, bridge, house, computer. These are the neuter gender, and what are neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Now let us do the exercise. Next, masculine grandfather, feminine will be grandmother. Bull, masculine, feminine cow. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Milkman, milkmaid. Landlord, landlady. Stallion, mare. Count, countess. Duke, duchess. Emperor, empress. Fox, vixen. Gander, goose. Master, mistress. Host, hostess. Prince, princess. Tiger, tigress. Bachelor, spinster. Sir, madam. Nephew, niece. Bridegroom, bride. Hunter, huntress. Enchanter, enchantress. Rooster, hen. Lord, lady. Underline the common gender. The director of the company is my uncle. So the word director, with the word director you can't understand whether it's male or female. So this is the common gender. Ali is his youngest child. The word child is the common gender. The 5 soldiers received a bravery award. Soldiers is the common gender. Sita is my sister's friend. The friend is the common gender. We are kind to our servant. The word here servant is the common gender. Change the gender of each highlighted noun and rewrite each sentence. The hunter went into the forest. The hunter, feminine will be huntress. So the answer will be the huntress went into the forest. Next, the man ate 100 bananas. So what will be the feminine of man? Woman. The woman ate 100 bananas. Mac is a policeman. Policeman, feminine of policeman, policewoman. Mac is a policewoman. The woodcutter's son helped a puppy. So what will be the feminine of son? Daughter. So the answer will be the woodcutter's daughter helped a puppy. Next, Rajiv's father is an engineer. So what will be the feminine of father? Mother. Rajiv's mother is an engineer. Next, the gentleman opened the door. So what will be the feminine of gentleman? Gentleman, gentlewoman. So the gentlewoman opened the door. Next, the dog chased the fox away. What will be the feminine of fox? Vixen. The dog chased the vixen away. Next, the monk went to the church. What will be the feminine of monk? Nun. The nun went to the church. My uncle visited Turkey last year. Feminine of uncle? Aunt. Aunt. So my aunt visited the Turkey last year. My grandfather bought an ice cream for me. Feminine of grandfather? Grandmother. My grandmother bought an ice cream for me. So today, apart from along with this chapter, I will be just giving the revision of essay. My week with my family essay. The revision of essay, a picnic with family. A picnic with family. Again, I'm telling you, it's an essay, so it is not necessary that you have to write the one which I'm giving you. You can write of your own. Just look at to it that your grammatical, there should be no grammatical mistake. The sentences should have a meaning and it should be correct. A picnic with family is one of the most relaxing getaways to enjoy weekends or vacations. Be it in a park, or a garden, a riverside or a dam. Next paragraph. On 1st January last, we went for a picnic. Kalyani Picnic Garden was our picnic spot. It was a beautiful place for enjoying picnic. I went there with my parents, sister, brother and other members of our family. We were also accompanied by some of our neighbors. We started our journey early in the morning. We were also accompanied by some of our neighbors. We started our journey early in the morning. We went there by car. It took 1.5 hours. It took 1.5 hours to reach there. It was a distance of 60 kilometers from our home to our picnic spot. It was a beautiful spot beside the Ganges. Many picnic parties went there. We spent the time joyfully. We visited different kinds of trees, flowers, and grasses. It was an amazing place to explore. We played cricket, badminton, some laid idle, and listened to music. We also ate a lot. In the evening, we enjoyed boating on the river. We also enjoyed the glorious sunset. Then we returned home with a very happy mind. Every week I'm giving you the revision of essay letters. So please write down the essay and letter in your notebook. And bye. Thank you.